The Royal Navy has officially welcomed one of its most innovative and unique vessels into active service, marking a significant milestone in the future of maritime security. Unlike traditional warships armed with missiles and heavy guns, this vessel has a very different mission, protecting vital sea lanes by detecting and neutralizing deadly underwater mines. The ship joins a growing effort by the Royal Navy to modernize its fleet and replace older mine countermeasure vessels with more advanced and efficient systems. Naval leaders have described the vessel as a game-changer, capable of carrying out dangerous mine-hunting missions while reducing risks to human crews. The ceremony welcoming the ship into the fleet was attended by senior military officials, sailors, engineers, and defense industry representatives. For many, the event symbolized the beginning of a new era in naval operations. As global shipping routes become increasingly important to international trade and security, ensuring safe passage through strategic waterways has never been more critical. The arrival of this groundbreaking mine-hunting ship represents not only a technological leap forward but also a glimpse into the future of naval warfare. The official induction of the Royal Navy's newest mine-hunting vessel has been celebrated as a major achievement for Britain's maritime defense capabilities. Traditionally, mine hunters had to sail directly into potentially dangerous waters to search for underwater threats. Crews often worked under high levels of risk while using sonar equipment to identify suspicious objects on the seabed. The Royal Navy's newest vessel takes a very different approach. Instead of placing sailors directly in harm's way, the ship serves as a sophisticated command and control platform capable of deploying a variety of unmanned systems. These remotely operated technologies can search, identify, and neutralize mines while the mothership remains at a safer distance. This shift represents a major evolution in naval doctrine. Rather than sending crews into minefields, autonomous and remotely controlled systems now take on the most dangerous tasks. The result is greater safety, improved efficiency, and the ability to cover larger areas more quickly than ever before. One of the most impressive aspects of the vessel is the advanced suite of technologies it carries. The ship is designed to operate multiple unmanned surface vehicles, autonomous underwater vehicles, and remotely operated mine disposal systems. Using high-resolution sonar, these systems can scan vast sections of the seabed with incredible accuracy. Once a suspicious object is detected, underwater drones can move closer to investigate. Advanced cameras and sensors allow operators to determine whether the object is an actual mine or simply harmless debris. If a mine is confirmed, specialized disposal vehicles can be sent to neutralize the threat safely. This entire process can be conducted without exposing sailors to the immediate dangers of a minefield. In many ways, the vessel functions as a floating command center, coordinating a network of robotic systems working both on and below the surface. The introduction of this ship is not an isolated development. It forms part of a broader modernization effort within the Royal Navy aimed at transforming mine countermeasure operations. For decades, traditional mine hunters formed the backbone of Britain's mine warfare capabilities. While highly effective in their time, these older vessels require significant manpower and maintenance. The new generation of mine-hunting platforms embraces automation, digital systems, and unmanned technology. This transition allows the Royal Navy to maintain or even increase operational effectiveness while reducing risks and potentially lowering long-term operating costs. Defense planners believe that unmanned systems will play an increasingly important role across all areas of naval warfare, from reconnaissance and surveillance to anti-submarine operations and mine clearance. The newest mine-hunting ship is one of the clearest examples of this strategic transformation. By maintaining advanced mine-hunting capabilities, the Royal Navy contributes not only to national security but also to the protection of international commerce. This new vessel strengthens Britain's ability to respond rapidly to emerging threats and help ensure the free flow of global trade. The commissioning of this unique mine-hunting ship offers a glimpse into the future of naval operations. Many defense experts believe that autonomous systems will become increasingly common aboard warships over the coming decades. Future fleets may rely on networks of drones operating in the air, on the surface, and beneath the waves. What we are witnessing today may be only the beginning of a much larger transformation in maritime warfare. The official welcome of the Royal Navy's newest minehunting ship marks far more than the addition of another vessel to the fleet. It represents a bold step toward a safer, smarter, and more technologically advanced future for naval operations. By combining cutting-edge unmanned systems with skilled personnel and modern command capabilities, the ship is helping redefine how mine warfare is conducted in the 21st century. Despite its impressive technology, the success of the ship ultimately depends on the people who operate it. Behind every autonomous vehicle and advanced sensor is a team of highly trained sailors, engineers, and specialists. The transition to unmanned mine warfare requires new skills and expertise. Personnel must understand not only traditional seamanship but also robotics, data analysis, communications systems, and advanced mission planning. Training programs have evolved to prepare crews for these new responsibilities. The Royal Navy's investment in technology is matched by an equally important investment in its people. Together, human expertise and advanced automation create a powerful combination capable of addressing the challenges of modern maritime security. As global maritime security challenges continue to evolve, vessels like this will play a crucial role in protecting shipping lanes, supporting allied operations, and ensuring freedom of navigation across the world's oceans. The future of minehunting has arrived and the Royal Navy is leading the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on naval technology, military developments, and maritime security from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.